Hey everyone, it's David Verbruggen here. I want to show you guys today how we can add a real account, a virtual account, or even a manual account into Charts by TRADEway. By the way, did you know that if you added a real account and if you had done some trading in that account beforehand, you can import 6 months worth of back data into your trade journal? That's a really neat feature. I'm going to show you how to add the account, and the back data should do all of that on its own. But just to start off here we go, Charts by TRADEway. This is what it looks like when you first open everything up. At the bottom left, you can see where it says TRADEway paper trading. Yours will probably not say that yet. Yours might say something just like account. Whatever that button is on the bottom left, go ahead and click that button. That's going to bring this up, and you can see I've already got several accounts listed here, but I'm going to show you how to add an account. We're going to go ahead and just click the plus button, and this is simply to add the account. And now we want to choose which type of an account. So you click on brokerage here. You can see I can select TRADEway Virtual. If you're starting out, this is the one you want, right? This is going to be your paper trading account. You'll get $100,000 of play money to start practicing in the market. So that's what you want. If you're going to be adding a real account, depends on which brokerage you're using. If you're using TRADEway, you can select that one. TD Ameritrade, E-Trade, you can see the options down there below. The process for adding a real account is very similar to adding a virtual account. You just select one, and then you're going to go through the steps. And the last one I'll show you is a manual account as well. So what is a manual account exactly? A manual account is one that you can use if you're mirroring a brokerage account that is not supported in Charts by TRADEway yet, or if you want to do some different types of back testing or paper trading. Essentially, you can put any order through the market at any time with any price. So not always the most realistic, because obviously I would love to buy Apple for $1 a share. But in real life, that's not going to happen. In the manual account, you could force it to happen. But it does serve a good purpose for practicing where needed as well. So that is how we go ahead and add it. Let's go through the process here. We're just going to add a TRADEway virtual account just so you can see that process. The only extra step for adding a real account is going to be that you would have to log in through Charts by TRADEway to that brokerage account. So that's not too bad of a step right there. We're going to choose TRADEway Virtual, select the box there, and then hit continue. Here I'm going to be able to choose what name I want for this account. You could leave it as TRADEway Virtual Account. You could simply say my paper trading account, or whatever the case is. And you can use a color identifier as well. You can see I've got several selected there. For today, let's use red. Why not? My paper trading account, color red, and then I add the account. There you go. So here we have $100,000. If something ever happens like that, where just click the box, you might need to refresh the browser. Sometimes it's pulling new information through. Got $100,000 here now of paper money that we can use to go trade in the account. So there you go. That's how we add a real account, a virtual account, and a manual account. Now remember, cool thing about those real accounts, you can import 6 months worth of back data. So that is pretty sweet. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed it, and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.